Question 17 of the JAM 2018 Mathematics Past Question, that's your UTME CBT exams. It says if n permutation 3 minus 6 bracket n combination 4 is equal to 0, find the value of n. Okay, so this is a bit of further maths, okay? So I hope we remember the formula for permutation. N permutation R is what? N factorial over n minus R all factorial. Okay, and you know permutation deals with arrangement, and also combination. The formula for combination is what? N factorial over what? N minus R factorial and what? R factorial. And combination deals with what? Selection. Okay, so this is going to be a long one. Okay, so from here we are given NP, all right, NP3 minus 6 bracket NC4 equal to what? 0. Okay, so NP3, to interpret n permutation 3, we have what? N factorial over what? N minus 3 all factorial. This is minus 6 bracket n factorial over n minus 4 factorial 4 factorial, okay, equal to what? 0. Okay, so we have to break this down. N factorial can also be written as what? N bracket, so we can cancel out n minus 3 factorials down here. Okay, so it can be written as n minus 1 bracket n minus 2 bracket n minus 3, okay, divided by 3, then drop a factorial here, then we have divided by n minus 3 factorial, so that this n minus 3 factorial can cancel out this other n minus 3 factorial. Okay, for this minus, we drop in by our minus 6, open our bracket. N factorial can also be written as n bracket n minus 1 bracket n minus 2 bracket n minus 3, then bracket, let's manage this space, n minus 4 all factorial, okay, divided by bracket n minus 4 factorial 4 factorial. Okay, you can write it on and on. So far you have to cancel out this denominator. Okay, if this was n minus 5, you write another n minus 5, then factorial. All right, so from here from here, what do we have? We can cancel out n minus 3 factorial will cancel out here, and n minus 4 factorial will cancel out here. Okay, so we are left with what? What are we left with? We are left with n bracket n minus 1 bracket n minus 2, okay, minus 6 bracket what? N bracket n minus 1 bracket n minus 2 and bracket n minus 3. Okay, so this is what divided by 4 factorial. So this is what we are left with. So what do we do next? So from here, 4 factorial is what? 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so it means that we can cancel out this 6 from here. Since 3 times 2 is 6, right? Just say 3 times 2 is 6, so 6 will cancel out. Okay, so this 3 and 2 will cancel out. This was 6 here, so we are left with just 4. Okay, so from here, and remember this is equated to what? 0. We have a 0 here, equated to what? 0. So here, what do? We can now take all this to this other side. All right, so we have n, follow me closely, okay, we have n minus 1 bracket n minus 2, taking minus, we've cancelled out the 6, taking minus bracket n minus 1 bracket n minus 2 bracket open close, open our bracket n minus 3 divided, we are left with only 4 here. Taking it to the other side is going to be a positive. Okay, this negative will turn to a positive, so we have equal to what? N bracket n minus 1 bracket n minus 2 bracket what? N minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, so from here we can cancel out. Is that not it? This n minus 1, n minus 2 can cancel out n minus 1, n minus 2 here. I hope you understand this, because we can just easily say we'll divide both sides by n minus 1, n minus 2. And when we do that, to cancel out. But you know, this is JAMB, and it's not really WAEC that I have to break the explanation down very in simple terms. We can just easily cancel out, okay? All right, we cancel out. So, and also our n will also what cancel out, since n is here, n is here. So what are we left with? When we cancel out all this, we're left with just 1 equal to what? N minus 3 divided by 4. So from here, take 4 to this side. We have, that's you cross multiply, you have 4 is equal to n minus 3. So to get our n, take minus 3 to this side. We have 4 plus 3, which is equal to what? N. All right, and what is 4 plus 3? That is 7. So n is equal to 7. All right, and answer is 7. You can either, don't get confused here, you can either take n here, bring 4 here, but doing that, taking n will go to this other side with a negative sign. This one will go to a negative sign. So you can easily just, instead of doing that, just take this minus 3 here to this place, and let's just work within the positive range. That's why I did this, so don't be confused on this step. So n is equal to 7. So this is our answer, and our right option is option D.